Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record videos with your Android device even if your screen is turned off. So you need to download this app. I'm going to put the link in the description. It will take you to Play Store where you can install it. The name is XS Camera. So when you install the app, you open it. It says background video recorder. Different use cases. You will see recording notification when it starts recording. So click on start record. But first of all, let's go to the settings. It has so many options here: privacy settings, camera and video settings, notification and toast settings, home page, voice command. You can also use voice command to trigger this app. If you don't want to touch your phone, you can whistle or clap and it will start recording. You can change the icon if you want more privacy. And one thing you have to do is to turn off battery optimization for this app so that it can always run in the background. Click on battery optimization. It's going to take you to power saving exclusions depending on the Android phone you have. Why this is important? So that it can always run in the background, because this is something that always runs in the background. You don't need to open the app. So we're going to look for the app and exclude power saving. After that, we can go to the camera and video settings. As you can see right here, the highest resolution we can do is FHD, which is 1080p. Now when you go back, here is where you will see all your records. If you have a video you just recorded, this is where you will see them. So if you want to start recording, you click on start camera and it will start recording. After asking for the permissions, when you grant the permission, it will start recording. I don't want to click that because if I do that, it's going to interrupt my screen recorder. So you can also schedule when you want to start recording, something like that. So that's how you record video with your Android device, even if your screen is turned off. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.